Hey guys, Eric here again. Be sure to subscribe if you like the content because there's more to come. And I've talked about this in a previous video, the fonts you can use, but I just wanted to quickly reiterate and say if you're looking for a free font website, there's just two of them here that I'm just going to mention today, and both of which the links will be in the description box. One is 1001 Free Fonts, and you can see there is just such a wide variety of different types of fonts. Now, you can use them for personal use or you can use them for commercial use. Just make sure that you check on it before you actually use them. Sometimes you even have the option if you want to donate to the designer. You can see right here. In some cases, on the other side, I'm going to show you they say donate to author. But if you want to double check and check out different ones, right at the top here, it's all alphabeticalized. So they've made it really easy. So let's say, for instance, you want something in the fantasy realm. Scroll down. You're going to see a lot of different types of styles here. Okay, the other one here is DaFont. So let's go ahead and click on that. And the layout still kind of similar. And you get a chance to see the recently added fonts here. So let's go ahead and click on one of these just to show you. I'm clicking on the alloy ink. And let's say you want to see what your text looks like. In this case, we'll just say barber. So this is really cool. It's got almost like even like a cartoonish look to it, right? All right, so let's go back. So again, these are just some of the options that you can use for fonts. There's so much more probably online, but these two sites in particular are the ones that I discovered that I thought were really great. So DaFont and 1001 Free Fonts. Both will be in the description box. Again, guys, thanks for watching. See you real soon.